Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Windows 11 update error 0x800f0922. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable connection can cause this update error. If you are using a VPN, turn it off for now. VPNs can block Windows Update servers and stop the update from completing. Now, pause and resume Windows Updates. To do this, click on the Start menu and open Settings. Go to Windows Update. Click on Pause Updates and select Pause for 1 week. Wait for about 1 minute. After that, click Resume Updates. Windows will try to reconnect to the update servers and download the update again. Many times, this simple reset fixes the error. If the error still appears, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Open Settings again and go to System. Scroll down and click Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update in the list and click Run. Let the troubleshooter finish scanning. It will automatically fix common update problems if it finds any. When it is done, restart your computer and try updating Windows again. Next, temporarily disable your antivirus software. Some third-party antivirus programs block system updates. If none of these steps work, use the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Open your web browser and search for Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Download it from the official Microsoft website. Once downloaded, open the tool and follow the on-screen steps. This tool upgrades Windows using a fresh update process and often bypasses update errors. These steps should fix the Windows 11 update error. Thanks for watching.